Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the number of sides of a regular polygon when exterior angle is equal to 36 degrees. So number of sides of a n-sided regular polygon regular polygon is given by the formula 360 degrees upon measure of each exterior angle. Now since this is a regular polygon, so measure of each exterior angle will be same. Now in this case, exterior angle is equals 36 degrees. Exterior angle equals 36 degrees. Therefore number of sides will be equals 360 degrees upon 36 degrees, which is nothing but 10. Therefore number of sides of the n-sided polygon, that is 10. Number of sides will be equals 10, and this is the required final answer. So thank you and have a great day.